How to add a voiceover to Google Slides. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. First thing first, simply go ahead and open up Google Slides from your web browser, and then just open up your document or your idea. So I'm going to I'm going to select a random one from my templates. So let's just select this one. And once you have your slides open, all you have to do now is just record your voice. You can do that by your locally available recorder on your laptop. So if you just go to search bar and search for recorder, you'll find the voice recorder right here, and you can use it to record locally. Or if you don't have it, you can start recording online. So go and open up a new tab. Simply search for Google Voice Recorder, hit enter. And now you'll see the Google Recorder right here, online voice recorder. Click on it. Now you can just click on this button to start recording. So just click on this, and you're going to have to allow the microphone access to this site. Now all you have to do is allow the microphone access. Now you've started the recording. So let me just pause it. Let me go back to my slide. And what I'm going to do now is start the recording here. Go to my slide, and this is where you will start speaking about your slides, your pitch. And once you are done recording and explaining stuff, go back here and then stop the recording. Now, you can obviously change its length, edit it, and cut the part where you don't want it to be included in your slides. Once that is done, just go ahead and click on the save icon, and now it will be downloaded to your PC. Now, in order to add the recording to your slides, you actually need to first upload it to your drive. So let's just open up our drive, go to the new tab, search for drive. And once you open up Google Drive, you can add the recording here. So let me just create a new folder quickly and then name it recording. Now inside this folder, I'm just going to upload that file. So wait for the folder to be created. Open it up, right click on it, go to file upload. Now you can go to downloads and you'll find the recording right here. I just upload it from here. Go back to your slides, go to insert, and here you can easily insert the audio. Click on audio. Now you can insert the audio from your drive. So here I've saved it on the recording folder, and I'm just going to choose the audio. Once the audio is added to your slide, all you have to do is you can choose the playback. So either you can start playing it on click or automatically, then volume of your audio when presenting. You could also hide the icon when presenting the audio or stop on slide change. So the audio will be stopped when you change the slide. There are other things that you can adjust here as well, your size and rotation, position, recolor, and many more. So you can easily adjust its icon. And that's pretty much it. So if I start playing this, you might hear the recording. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this was helpful to you, and I'll catch you on the next one.